eggs in the traditional manner is pass. Presenting the Kent Super Egg Boiler, the smartest and fastest way to boil eggs with utmost ease. And that too, as per your eating preference. No underboiled or overboiled eggs. The Kent Super Egg Boiler can make 6 uniformly boiled eggs together in just 3 minutes. Kent Super Egg Boiler has an elegant stainless steel body and it is so easy to use. Just add water with the measuring cup provided as per the hardness required on the stainless steel heating plate. Put the eggs in the tray and simply switch it on. No hassles, no fuss. It comes with one-touch operation and an automatic power-off function that shuts off the appliance when the eggs are ready. So, make your boiled egg breakfast with super comfort with Kent Super Egg Boiler. So, order the Kent Super Egg Boiler today and start your day with a healthy egg breakfast.